Okay, y'all, fiance's on his way with all of the food. Let's wipe out these fridges super fast. I'm trying to also work today, so let's knock these out together. Alrighty, friends, here's a quick before of this freezer. I have not touched this freezer since we moved in. This is our drink fridge that is in our laundry mud room. This holds like all of our extra frozen meats and stuff like that. So here's a quick before, and we're gonna knock it out and get it sparkling clean. This is just Dawn dish soap. Little Eufy hand vacuum. I got it maybe a year ago from Walmart. I hope y'all are in some need of some good fridge and freezer refreshes, deep cleans, whatever you're needing. I hope this can be that for you. Look here, don't get me wrong. Having to empty both of these freezers and both of these fridges out myself and haul all of it over to my mother-in-law's house was awful. It was miserable. It was hot. I was by myself and it was not a fun time. However, I've been needing to do this for quite some time. So I took the advantage of it and I got it all wiped out, especially the other fridge. Something leaked. Oh, that was not fun to clean up. So y'all will see all of that. But good old Dawn dish soap and a little bit of elbow grease. And these were sparkling clean, seriously, within maybe 5 minutes. I was actually kind of shocked, but then again, not, because I do love Dawn Power Wash. The stuff is amazing. I don't know what's in it, but it works.
Hey, don't you look at me like that. When you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that. Walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Oh baby, baby, I don't know what to say. Every beginning's gonna end up the same. Spare me your thoughts and get out of my way. Baby, 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 baby.
I did also want to let y'all know right quick that I am going to be filming a Sunday reset with y'all, and it's going to be a good one. I've got a lot to do, and I'm going to take y'all along with me, so be ready to see that one next Sunday.
Oh, your mama told you be the best that you can. She never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head. The devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you. Hey, don't you look
All right, y'all. Not too bad for a quick 5-minute clean. Dawn dish soap for the win. Not too shabby. Nice. Cool. Okay. Freezer number 2. Lots of sticky stuff in the bottom of here because something opened and leaked. The top's not that bad. Bottom is gross. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, all that sticky stuff. Okay, let's get our Dawn Power Wash and see if it'll work its magic again. Is you helping? let that sit just for a second, and then we will start scrubbing. For the sticky stuff, I'm gonna use paper towels.
Like that, when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your fault. Now toss the salt. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on. It's a devil on your shoulder.
I'm over this. Okay, heifer, hush.
Like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that, when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, 'cause you're not feeling sorry.
I wish I could freaking knock this out. Oh! I didn't do it. It wasn't me. I didn't do it. Shh, I didn't do it. It wasn't me. So I thought I left the clip in here of Devin came home and he was bringing in more food. And I was sitting there saying, I didn't do it. And he's like, oh God, what did you do? And I'm like, nothing, I didn't do it. And he's like, quit Hulk smashing. And I'm like, I didn't do it. But editing all of this footage with all of our little back and forth commentary throughout this entire process was so funny to rewatch and listen. I was having a little laugh attack over here trying to edit this entire thing. I hope that y'all get some motivation out of this. And also, just for a little side note, if you have something sticky that freezes in your freezer and you need to get it up, open the freezer and just throw some paper towels in there. Let it soak it up. That's what I had to do. I went through a lot of paper towels, but it ended up soaking it all up. And because it was like slushy and it was just kind of a mess, and I was, like I said, over it. But if you're in the same position, throw some paper towels in there, let it soak up, and then all I did after that was go in with some multi-purpose spray and make sure I got anything sticky that was on the bottom, like residual sticky stuff. I made sure to get that all wiped up so it was nice and clean for all of my foods to be put back in it. Can y'all see that? We had a whipped cream explosion, so I get to clean that up now. This entire hurricane experience has just felt like one thing after another. So I was trying to clean up the slushy in the freezer, and then I was trying to clean up the whipped cream explosion that y'all are watching me take literally everything out of this bag, and it was an entire can of whipped cream just decided to go ham on the inside of this bag as he was carrying it in. And I'm like, okay, give me a couple minutes. Let me rinse everything off and then I can continue. But it's been a very interesting couple weeks and I'm glad it's over, and I have been praying that we do not have another one this season. Your girl can't handle it.
Excuse me, Missy. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You silly dog. Yes, you little silly dog. You're on the cooler. You're chilling? You're chilling? Fat girl.
I can't breathe, 'cause you pushed me back. I should've stayed away from you. It feels like I'm being attacked. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Trying to improve me, why you do that to me? I don't wanna be with you. Don't tell me that you're sorry. All you do is bother me. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay, I just wanna run, I just wanna hide, I just wanna be on my own sometimes. Don't you ever say that I didn't try. Don't you ever say that you don't know why. I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. It's too late, there's no way that we can fix it now. Stay away from me. You bring me down and you hold me back. It feels like I'm not being attacked. Trying to improve me, why you do that to me? I don't wanna be with you. Don't tell me that you're sorry. All you do is bother me. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I just wanna run, I just wanna hide, I just wanna be on my own sometimes. Don't you ever say that I didn't try. Don't you ever say that you don't know why. I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. Don't you tell me that I didn't try. Tell me that I didn't try. Tell me that I didn't try. Don't you say that. Don't you say you don't know why. Don't you say you don't know why. Don't you say it. I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I just wanna run. I just wanna hide. I just wanna be on my own sometimes. I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye.
All right, friends. It is officially August. August 3rd is the day that I'm doing this voiceover, and I want to know y'all's opinions on fall decorations. Look here. I love decorating for fall, and then my Christmas is like I go all out. I've always been that way ever since I was little. I was always the one to put the tree up and decorate it and get all the bins down from the attic. So I've always loved Christmas with every ounce of my being. But fall is first, so I do love decorating for that as well. I will be filming it, and I'll probably just be sprinkling it into these weekly cleaning videos since I know y'all love all of the cleaning motivation. I get it because I watch it too. And that's what I tend to gravitate towards more is the cleaning videos that have sort of the decorating sprinkled in it. So that's what I'm going to try and do. Let me know if y'all prefer one way or the other, but I'm so super excited to get everything put up. I am not the girl that waits until the specific date. Like, for Christmas, we're decorating the day after Halloween, okay? Like, it's me in my house. So I'm not asking you to do that in your house. So you do you, I'll do me. And I just get so excited. So I'm excited to bring y'all along with me this year. And like I said, y'all will have to let me know when you decorate. If you decorate, I would love to know down in the comments.
I don't need you, you. I don't need you, you. Yeah, I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in. I don't need you, cause I got high ambitions, a boss vision. I'm granting all my wishes. I don't need you, cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one.
Okay, so he brought in 2 big hard coolers, and then he had 2 soft bag coolers that I went through and put everything in the fridge from those. Y'all saw the explosion of the whipped cream. I had to just honestly put it all in the sink. Y'all saw that, and rinse it all off. But I'm gonna go through the hard coolers now and put the remaining stuff away. So let's do it. So I don't know what happened to the footage of me putting the bins in the freezer. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe I didn't record it. Maybe I didn't press record. But I put these bins, they're all from Dollar Tree. I put them in the bottom part of my freezer to try and see if I could use them to organize all of my frozen veggies, fruits, etc. And as you'll watch, you will see me go through the process. I obviously cut it down to make it fit into a video, but this took me probably 30 minutes just to try and organize this freezer. But it ended up working out, and the bins worked, but I only kept 2. So like I said, you'll see that at at the end. But I wanted to stop and say, if the bins that you got for a space isn't working, you don't have to use them. Like, just because you got them for a specific space does not mean that you are obligated to use those bins in that space if it's not functional for you. Obviously, I was kind of leaning towards it looking nice, but then the further that I got into it, I'm like, screw that. I'm going to take 2 of them out, and I think that it will function much better, and it definitely does. It's been about a week since I did this organization, and everything has been working great. We actually did end up getting a stand-up deep freeze. My uncle, who was moving out of his house, was kind enough to gift that to us. And that's actually outside. And I'm hoping to put a majority of our frozen meats that went into the drink fridge in our laundry room. I'm hoping to put a majority of those in that freezer. So then that opens up more space for me to put things that we eat more on a daily, weekly basis in these 2 freezers. Anyways, regardless, if it's functional, that's all that matters. It doesn't have to look pretty. It doesn't have to look Pinterest perfect. It just has to be functional. And that's all that matters at the end of the day. So take everything you see on social media with a grain of salt. It does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be functional. And that's all that matters at the end of the day. Okay, now that I'm nice and sweaty, the fridge is done, the freezer's done. Let's take a look. I'm gonna show y'all how I organized everything and kind of my thought process of what y'all just saw. So let's do it. All right. Fridge is pretty self-explanatory. We keep milk here, eggs here. That's leftovers from last night, and that's leftovers from yesterday. Cheeses, American cheese, shredded, Colby Jack, snack cheese, and then ham, sandwich meat, turkey. I put these over here because whenever I pull out frozen meat and need to thaw it, I put it in this, so then if anything like leaks, it leaks into the bin. And then I got more condiments because I had to throw a lot out, so those will be going there. I have sour cream, cream cheese, garlic. I need to put one of my whipped creams in here. That's where it usually go, and this will stand up straight with my whipped cream right here. This is one of my eye masks. I got it from the dollar store, y'all. And then I have little under eye patches. I get migraines really bad, so having those in the fridge helps a bunch. Lime juice, I put that on my salads or in guac. Ranch, boiled eggs. And then down here, lots of avocados. I put these in the front, even though it would be more aesthetically pleasing if they were in the back, but these expire first, so I need to eat them first. And then I've got those back there. This is my favorite flavor, the salted caramel, so whenever I find them, I stock up. And then grapes is back there. I have some strawberries I need to wash, and those will go in a mason jar. And then in here, tortillas, bread. I try to keep one container for any carbs and whatnot. And then any small bags or opened bags of frozen fruit I put in here. So like these are frozen bananas that I bagged myself. These blueberries are open and in a Ziploc, strawberries, and then cranberries. And then I've got frozen fruits here and here. And then these are my big bags of apples. I need to make some apple pies. And then my giant bag of mixed veggies, some peas and carrots, cauliflower, frozen spinach. These are, okay, this, it's mashed potatoes, but it's not. It's mashed cauliflower that's supposed to be a replacement for mashed potatoes, and they're pretty good, y'all. Give them a try if you're trying to be a bit healthier. Okay, and then frozen okra. I keep some frozen onion peppers in the bags because I don't cook enough to have them fresh. They'll go bad. So then we have some zucchini noodles, a lot of rice cauliflower because we use that as a replacement for rice, frozen Brussels sprouts, frozen meatballs, some blackened chicken, and some French fries. We don't have a whole lot of like processed frozen foods other than like pizzas and then like the meatballs, but I don't get them super often. These are some pie crusts. Like I mentioned, I need to make some pies. Frozen tortillas, and then some extra frozen cheeses. And then I just slipped our ice packs in the cracks. If y'all haven't tried this, Rayo's so good, so good. So that's it. I obviously need to make a grocery order for some stuff in the fridge, like produce. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope you got some motivation to clean your own fridge. I gotta go get back to work now, so I will see y'all very soon in the next one. Bye.